Alo, con vào lại chưa? Con vào đi nhá. Ơi, ờ, con vào đi, vào lại Zoom thì được rồi nhá. Cô vào rồi.
Okay.
Okay.
Anh ơi, về em về năm A. Năm, về của em, năm A.
Chị coi mấy nào mà phải bỏ thẻ được lượng, mấy nào mà bỏ thẻ được mà không có ghi âm đó nha. Mấy cái đấy là bộ pháp là không bỏ thẻ được đó, ghi âm rồi.
Không, về của em mua về đây. Năm A,
Mấy cái test
năm ơi. Năm A. Được không? Về đây.
bố đang bật mic kìa bố.
Đó, tôi đâu Năm A.
Bố.
Okay, can you hear
Rồi,
me?
rồi, rồi. Rồi, rồi, về anh đừng về.
Carrie, can you hear me, Carrie?
Cái kia có đấy, cái này. Anh chết về cho
Okay,
em.
so Carrie,
Đây đây.
listen again. Okay, let us listen again.
Yes.
Okay, teacher will
Okay.
let you listen again after I will ask question. Okay, Carrie,
Okay.
ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay,
Đây này,
ready.
Nam Á nó tên đây này, anh này. Nó làm
4B.
đúng Nam Á đây này. Dạ đúng
My
thì anh này,
friends
vợ của em.
and my
Đó là
pets.
đúng. Đây này, đúng. Nó
Who
tên đây này.
came
Teacher,
to
teacher.
Holly's
Đúng. Ừ.
birthday
Đấy,
party?
thế chứ sao? Chị với
Listen.
em đây này.
Yes, Carrie.
Của anh em còn phải không mà. Không
Dad,
phải.
my dad.
Yeah, where's your dad? Okay, now.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So ready? Are you ready? Please listen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
4B. My friends and my pets. Who came to Holly's birthday party? Listen and write names.
My party was excellent. My best friend Jane came, of course, and Daisy too. Daisy and I like the same kind of music. We also love dancing. And I invited the two boys who live in the house that's next to ours. Harry's the older one. He always makes me laugh on the school bus. His younger brother is Pat. I didn't know him, but I do now. He didn't stop singing all afternoon and was very loud. I often go sailing with Nick, so I invited him. We both go to the sailing club on Wednesday evenings. Oh, and Lucy came too. She's in my class. We often do our homework together. Who else? Let me think. Oh, yes. Bill and Helen were there. Helen and I are learning to play the guitar together. She's great. Bill is boring, but I had to invite him because he's my cousin.
Okay, now, I will ask you questions. What did Daisy, can you watch now? About Daisy, what is the answer?
Daisy likes the same music.
Oh, let me see. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, Daisy likes the same music. How about Harry? What can you say about Harry?
Harry is a loud singer.
Okay? It's loud. It's not loud. It's loud. Again, loud. Loud singer. Loud singer. Okay, very good. Let me see. Okay, very funny. Harry is very funny. How about Pat? How about Pat?
Pat is the same class.
Okay, Pat. Okay, letter H is a loud singer. How about Nick? How about Nick?
Nick?
Yeah, how about Nick?
Nick also has guitar lessons.
Okay, Nick is letter G, goes sailing too. How about Lucy? Did you hear Lucy?
Lucy is very funny.
Okay, and?
F. And no, Lucy.
Letter? They are in the same?
C.
Okay, the same. Lucy is in the same class. Letter B. How about Bill? How about Bill? Yeah.
Bill also has guitar lesson.
Are you sure? Letter C is Hollis' cousin. Okay, and Helen. How about Helen?
Number A also has guitar lessons.
Okay, also has guitar lessons. Guitar lessons. Okay? So, Carrie, next time, please listen carefully because sometimes the music or the sound is very fast. Okay, it's very hard to listen. You have to tell me, teacher, and I want to listen again. Okay? Next one. Okay. Now, here, how this is about the picture. Look at the picture below. Okay. Look at the picture below. Okay. How many people can you see in the picture? How many?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. How many people did Holly talk about? How many people did Holly talk about? This is Holly, this one. How many people did Holly talk about? Oh, sorry. How many? There are? Holly is talking to how many?
2.
2, only 2. This one. Holly is talking to these 2 people. Now, Pat is a loud singer. Okay. Which boy is Pat? And what is he wearing? What do you think is Pat here?
He's shirt, yellow shirt.
Okay, maybe this is bad. Okay. But in this one, this is Holy. Holy's birthday. This one is Holy. But Holy is not here. So it's not in the picture. This is not Holy. Okay? Here. This is Pot. Now, Pot is wearing yellow stripe. What tune is he singing? What tune is he singing? Rock music or pop music? What do you think? Look
Yeah.
at the tune. Rock, rock, baby, rock, rock, or pop music? What do you think? Maybe it's all rock
Pop music.
music. Okay. Now, Holly says that her cousin Bill is boring. Which boy in the picture might be Bill? Oh, which boy? That boring guy. Who do you think is Bill in the picture? Who?
Uh, um, Bill, Bill, in shirt
In the
brown.
short? Okay. And what do you think he is wearing? The shirt. That one, boring.
Yes, yes. Bill is yes.
Okay, where is Bill? Where is Bill?
Bill is
The one wearing what? What color?
brown. Shirt
Brown.
brown.
Very good. Okay. The one wearing brown is Bill. This one. Okay. Who do you think the girl standing at the table is? Who do you think this one? This is?
Uh,
Okay, who do you think is his name? Is that Helen
Lu-
or is that Jane? Oh, sorry. Who do you think is this? Is this Helen or Jane?
um, you, um,
Who do you think? Is that Helen or Jane?
Lucy.
Oh, is that Lucy? Okay. So we have here now. This is the last activity. What kind of music do you and your friend like? Okay, what kind of music? Pop, rock? What kind of music do you like? Do your friends and you like? What kind of music?
Uh,
Go, Carrie. You, what kind of music do you like in Vietnam?
uh,
Bật bóng mà ghép chân bật bóng. Kiwi, cô hỏi con là kiểu loại nhạc nào con thích thì con hay thích là pop hay gì đó, rock.
pop.
It is
K-pop.
K-pop. Oh, you love K-pop? You love Korean music? Wow. Blackpink. You know Blackpink? Blackpink.
Yeah.
It's Korean music, the K-pop. Okay,
Yeah.
now, who is the funniest person in your class? Who is the funniest person in your class?
Um, uh, 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 the, uh, Tuấn Anh Minh. Tuấn Anh Minh is the fun person in the class.
Oh, who is the person? Okay, the funniest, very funny. Funniest, it means very funny.
Bảo là con viết tên của những cái người con
Okay,
biết
who
mà
in your
liên
classmate?
quan đến
In your classmate,
vui vẻ trong
who
lớp á.
is the funniest?
Con biết rồi, con nói là tuổi mình nữa.
Okay, good.
Cô đang hỏi câu nào? Cô đang hỏi câu 3 hay là 2?
Okay, who is the funniest? You tell me in your class, who is the funniest? Very funny, like always smile, keep on laughing. Oh, that's very funny. Who is that? Hmm? Do you know a person who is funny?
Ừ.
Oh, TM, who is this? Timin. Timin. Very funny. Okay. Now, who is the great singer on your class? The one who sing. The great singer in your class. Who?
Me.
Timin. Min, you? You know how to sing?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Can you sing it? Can you sing, teacher? Can you sing me a song? How about Lemon Tree? Do you know Lemon Tree? Wonder how? Or do you know Lemon Tree? You sing Lemon Tree. Go.
No.
You don't know? Oh, what is your favorite song? You sing, teacher.
I can sing.
Okay. So, yeah, can you sing?
No, I'm not ready.
You're not ready. Okay. How about Lemon Tree? Do you know Lemon Tree? I wonder how, I wonder why. I like that. Na 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 na. Do you know that song?
Okay, I
Oh,
can sing.
yeah. Go, 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 go. You sing. 1, 2, 3, ready. I wonder
More.
how.
It's just been rainy this afternoon. Was my time. I got nothing to do. Grab my what for you. Now everything's grab. And I wonder.
What's that? Tell me
Around
that.
in my car. The how I wonder why. And this is the day at the blue sky. Not that best we just yellow and something like that. I heard that. Okay.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Na 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 na. I forgot the lyrics. Okay, now who is very good at sport in your school?
um, Khoa is very good at sport.
Oh, what is his sport? What is squash sport? Badminton, uh, basketball,
Soccer.
volleyball.
Soccer.
It is soccer. Oh, he likes to play soccer. Okay, my daughter plays badminton. Okay, so he plays badminton a lot. Okay, So, yes. Okay. So, for today, Carrie, we don't have enough time because Teacher Ann has another class. Okay. I am so sorry. I have to end this because teacher will attend another class after you. Okay. In 3 minutes, I will be in another class. I know in 8 minutes, I will be in another class. Okay. Hey, Carrie, show me your face now. Carrie, okay. Where's
Okay.
your video?
Uh,
Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. What's that?
oh,
Where's your
camera,
face?
camera.
Okay, the camera.
Wow.
Why it's moving?
Sao
Where are
camera bị
you?
ngược rồi? Camera bị ngược rồi.
Okay, Carrie. Thank you so much for
Cái
today,
mặt.
Carrie. Okay, I will see. Oh, it's you. Okay, I will see you on Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Carrie. Thank you so much, Carrie. What's that? Your camera is moving now. Okay, thank you. Good night, Carrie. Good night. Ah, that's good. That's good. Oh, is that beside you? Your sister? Is that your sister? Okay,
Mother.
wait me. Wait me. I will take. Oh, wait me. Are you a teacher? Oh, hello.
Hello, Miss.
Ah, hello. Oh, hello, Karin. Show me your face. I will take a picture of you because I have to send it to your daughter. I will send my daughter's picture later. Okay? Okay, so
Kiwi,
late.
cô muốn chụp cái bức ảnh của con á, con quay camera lại đi.
Okay, yeah. Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay, good
Sao rồi
night
chụp
to
xa
you.
nữa?
Yeah. You're moving. Your camera is always moving. Okay. Bye-bye. Good night.